Hey guys, what's up? Thank you for tuning into my channel. If you have not subscribed already, definitely hit that subscribe button below. Today's video is going to be me trying out a product made by a company called Gleamin. They actually reached out to me to do a product review for them. So today I'm actually going to be doing that. So this is the box that it came in. This is the Gleamin box. It actually came in the mail yesterday, so I'm really excited to try it. So I'm actually going to be unboxing this for you guys because I haven't even opened it. I don't even know exactly what it looks like. So let's see what we got. So, oh nice, it's really cool. Cool. So this is the package that it came in. It's really pretty. It's definitely a bright yellow. So I'm going to be trying out the vitamin C clay mask, as you can see there. So exactly what is Gleamin? So Gleamin's vitamin C clay mask helps fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It also helps in softening the texture of your skin. So what's in Gleamin? This clay mask that I'm actually going to be trying is an aloe vera along with turmeric. So this is pretty cool because I've never really had a facial mask that I've tried with this. So I'm excited to definitely try this today. So the clay mask has natural certified organic ingredients such as aloe vera and turmeric with vitamin C that helps with evening the skin tone for a more radiant glow. Y'all know I love a glow. I love a glow. So we're definitely going to try this product and hopefully it's going to give me a nice warm glow after I finish. And also asks it's stain free. Turmeric is the main ingredient of the mask, which makes it stain free. So you don't have to worry about it getting on your clothes. You don't have to worry about any kind of stains all over your sink, because that happens with me and makeup. Y'all know y'all heard my story about when my makeup broke. So definitely gonna try this, and I'm like I said, I'm excited to. And how long does it take? It's quick and easy. You can apply the mask, leave it on for 10 minutes, and the overall application time is 15 minutes. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to start the video, because I know that's why y'all came probably to this video and clicked on it. So I'm going to start the video, and then I'm going to let it set for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes is up, I'll come back on camera and let you guys see what my face looks like after I've washed it off, and then of course, you know, the process afterwards to see how we're looking. Alright guys, so this is the face mask now. I just finished applying it, so now I'm gonna wait 10 minutes to wash the product off. General feel of the product, it's definitely really rapidly hardening. It's super quick, but it also makes your face feel so cool. So I definitely like the feel of it. It feels like my skin is a little bit more hydrated with this mask on, and I haven't even taken it off. So definitely, I can't wait to see what it's going to look like afterwards whenever I take the product off. So I'll see you guys in about 10 minutes, and then we'll see what I'm looking like afterwards. Alright guys, so the mask has hardened and now I am getting ready to wash it off of my face, and we'll see what we're looking like afterwards. So, man, does my face feel light. It definitely feels light. It feels like it's clean. It's definitely really clear. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but wow, it's like, it's a very clear skin. It feels like my face has like no dirt. It feels like there isn't any type of residue that was left on my face, and it's definitely feeling like it's light. So I would say it's a thumbs up for the product. I'll definitely keep on using it, and I'll probably incorporate it in some of my daily skincare routines, or at least, you know, when I'm trying to do something with my skin. So but yeah, so I give the product a thumbs up. Thank you so much, Gleamin, for allowing me to try your product on my channel. I really do appreciate it. And guys, if you want to try this product for yourself, the link will be below in the description box. Definitely feel free to go ahead and use that link and buy some and try it for yourself, because like I said, the product feels awesome, and it definitely makes my skin really clear. I'm loving it. So like I said, the product description is down in the box below. Also, you can follow Gleamin on Instagram at Gleamin. I'll put that down in the description box below as well. If you have any other questions for me, definitely leave them below in the comments. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.